Hey guys, welcome. Right in front of you, I have a 1 ounce fine silver coin and bullion. This one happens to be the 2019 Colombia and Germania, part of the Allegories. It's Germania 5 mark, minted by the Germania Mint. Let's take a look at the specs. Now, as far as in the diameter, it is 38.6 millimeter. Its thickness is 3.0 millimeters. And at scale, it's at 31.2 grams, which is 1 ounce. It has 4 nines fine silver. Once again, 4 nines of fine silver. And total mintage at that time was only 25,000 pieces minted. Once again, only 25,000 pieces minted. Let's take a closer look. Once again, this is the 2019 Colombia and Germania. Thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.